everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect TikTok Shop to Printify. So I've actually prepared two options here. So option number one is to use Shopify. So set up Printify with Shopify, link Printify to Shopify and upload your products there. So it looks something like this. You have to go to Shopify and then go to app and then install the Printify. And connect TikTok Shop to Shopify. Use the TikTok integration in Shopify to list products on TikTok Shop. This way, TikTok orders go through Shopify and you can fulfill them with Printify. So it looks something like this. You just have to connect TikTok Shop and Shopify. You just have to tap on this connect here. Now for option number two is the manual process. List products on TikTok Shop. So you just have to add your Printify products manually to TikTok Shop. Then you can process orders on Printify. When someone orders on TikTok, input the details on Printify to fulfill the order. And that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!